everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly and I'm so excited. Today we are going to be doing toddler Montessori themed Halloween activities. Alright, so I don't know about you guys, but my son loves Halloween. He just loves it. He loves everything about it. And we live in Florida and it doesn't really get cool out right now. It's still pretty warm. So we're making the most of it because we don't have fall changing colors and different things like that. But we're able to still do a lot of different fun activities with pumpkins and other DIY things that I have around my house. So all of these activities are going to be pretty simple. Everything that I did buy, I got from the dollar store, and then everything else is just kind of things that I had or I am doing all on my own. So the very first activity I have is this stenciling paper. So this tracing page was super easy to make, and I just took these stickers that I bought from the dollar store. It's like a pumpkin and a cat and then a bat. So I just got these from the dollar store, and I don't have like the backings off of them. So I just traced these on, and then you can have your child just learn how to sort the different shapes and put on the stickers there, and you can just leave the backs on and reuse this paper. It's super easy, super simple. They're able to learn different skills like matching. They also can count. Good job. Okay, keep doing it. Sorry, okay, my son is still around, so you're going to see him popping up throughout this video. But you can also do counting. You can say, please put 1 pumpkin on and 2 bats and 3 cats, and they're able to learn about numbers that way, and they can learn about counting. Lots of different things that you can do with, seriously, just a piece of paper and some different like items that they can use. All right, and then next activity for you guys is a very classic Montessori activity for the fall and for Halloween time, and that is anything to do with pumpkins. So the very first activity that is tons of fun to do is washing pumpkins. I'm sure you've seen this all over if you are interested in Montessori type activities. People do this all the time because it's so much fun to wash pumpkins with your kids, and then you can either paint them or use stickers. Painting is tons of fun. Or you can just take these same stickers that we had before and peel it off and have your kid put stickers all over their pumpkins, which is also going to be tons of fun. They're able to learn about fine motor skills, especially peeling off the back of stickers is great for kids to learn how to use their pincer fingers and put things on and placement and different things like that. The third activity I have for you guys is taking this webbing. So I feel like everybody has this in their Halloween decor. It's super simple, super easy to use, and you can just reuse it. I've had this for years. Yeah, those are skeletons. And you can just take this and put it up really wherever you want to, that your child can reach. And you can even have your child like help you put this up. Okay, so you can just put this webbing up, and then I have just a bunch of these spiders. Wow, good job. Okay, can you sort the skeletons from white and black? And you can just pick up these spiders, and I like these ones because they have a little clip on them. Oh, good job. So this clip is going to help kids with their fine motor skills, and then you can... Okay. So kids love to place these on the spider web, and then you can do counting activities with them. You can do different colors. You can do sorting. There's so many ways you can incorporate numbers and colors into like everyday activities. So even if you're just decorating your house for Halloween, you can easily have your child help you, and it's a practical life activity, and you're also able to easily have them learn. So, okay, Oki, you want to help me? Yes. Okay. I gotta keep... Okay, can you clip it on? Can you clip it on right here? Wow. You did it. Yeah, you did it. How many spiders are there?
1, 2.
2.
2 spiders.
Here, do you want to clip this one on? So as long as you have the spider webbing pretty secure, obviously this right now is not going to be super secure because I'm just trying to show you guys. But if you have it pretty secure, like kids are going to be able to sit and play with these, take it on and off for quite a while. He thinks it's so much fun to play with anything Halloween related.
I did it.
Yeah, you did it. You want to put this one on?
Yes. I did it.
And then every once in a while you can just stop and have them count.
I did it.
How many spiders are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Oh, you're going to put that one on?
Look, some more.
And if he can't get the clasp to work, then he'll just put them on and they just stick. So that's the like awesome thing about this spider webbing stuff. And a lot of times the spiders are like a little bit sticky. So it's all going to work out and take up lots of time for your kids.
Yes.
The fourth activity I have for you guys are these number cards. So I just made these. I just took numbers and added on little Halloween things onto each number so that it's kind of like a Halloween themed. And you just can take literally anything that you want to and count using these numbers. So my son is really into using numbers these days and learning about what numbers look like, different things like that. So you can have, you know, the stickers we had earlier. You can have actual pumpkins, different things like that. And you can give this to them and then they have to put how many of that into the group. So I also have these little ornaments, and these are honestly just like decorations I've had. So you have this one out and they put one there, and then you have a 2 and they have to put 2 there, and 3, and go into however many numbers that you want or that your child is currently working on. Okay, so you'll see in my example videos how in the beginning I had all of the numbers out and then a bunch of different things for my son to work with, and it ended up being just overwhelming to him and he wasn't able to truly focus on the activity. So I took out all the things and focused on one pile of items, which were the 6 ghosts, because I had 6 of them and I have 6 cards. So I started with number 1 and we just worked with, I had just put out the number 1 and then had him do 1 ball, and we went up that way and worked our way through that way. So depending on where your child is at and what level he's at is going to be how many items you give them, how many numbers, different things like that. And you can always take things back and work with your child to see wherever they're at and do what's best for them. For my last activity, you guys, I'm really excited about is a craft. It's just one of these craft jars from the Dollar Tree. And then I have some of these black rocks and some green sand. So these would be great sensory activities, especially these rocks. The sand might kind of like get everywhere and onto your kids and stuff. Don't know if I recommend this as much. Rocks are always good. So we're going to be making a Find It bottle. Okay, you want to help me? Yeah. And in this, I think I'm going to have Oak come in and help more. So they had a ton of these bottles at the Dollar Tree when I went, and I really like them because 1, they're cheap, and 2, they're not glass, so they're plastic. So if your kid drops them, like, that's totally fine. It's not going to break and like get everywhere. Whoa.
Look.
Okay.
It's a pumpkin.
And it has like a cute little Halloween lid on it. So for this Find It activity, I'm going to just put in one of the cats, one of the bats, and one of the pumpkins. They actually had 2 different types of pumpkins. So I'm going to do the 2 different types of pumpkins. Okay, so I'm going to fill those up with those 4 items. And honestly, like, you can use whatever you want. You can turn this into any sort of activity. That's what I love about these activities, is that they can really be any theme that you want, anything that you can find around the house. It's just so easy to make and create and work with your kids. So I'm just going to pour some of these black rocks in. And then I'll be pouring some black sand in.
I'm putting and next it's what is it? Some green color.
Ooh, green.
It's green sand. And green sand.
And I will probably tape up this lid just to make sure that nothing is coming out. And then you just shake it up and have your kids try to find all of the things that you have inside of the activity. Okay, oh, can you find a pumpkin?
There it is.
You found the pumpkin. Can you find the bat?
A bat's handbell. There's the bat.
There's the bat. All right, so here is just the finished product. You can see the cat right there, the pumpkin. The bad part about using stickers is that sometimes they will be like the back side of the sticker, but you can just keep moving it around until you can see like the front or like see it from different angles. So this is going to be tons of fun for your kid to play with. It also just makes fun noises. They can use it as a maraca. Lots of different ways that you can play with a little like find it activity jar. Okay, so that is it for all of my activities for you guys. I hope you enjoyed these Montessori Halloween activities that you're able to do with your toddlers. Let me know if you try any of these and if you adapt them in any way for what you have in your house and how your toddler works. And let me know how they go for you. I hope you enjoyed these. I had tons of fun doing these with my toddler, and we're going to have tons of fun doing them in the next couple weeks before Halloween. I hope you guys all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.
Oh, spiders!
Oh yeah, okay, you wanna come say bye? If you like this content, please let me know and like and subscribe if you wanna see more. And I appreciate you all. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Happy Halloween. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.